Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on iOS 18. To create a new contact, click on the phone button, phone app, and go to contacts, then click on a plus, and now you can add a photo of the contact. Let's do it. You can also skip this step, but I'm gonna add a photo. This one, I can change its position, change the font, but I don't see it now because I haven't set a name yet. So let's just choose white color. I can edit it later. I can add filters to the photo, then press on done, and then continue. And now let's confirm the contact photo. I'm gonna just change its position, choose. You can add filters, done, continue. And now when I add the first name, it will be displayed later. I can add phone number, email, and many other things, and add all fields. Then press on done. And now your contact has been saved with this font we have picked earlier. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.